Guys, see, what does list index give you? What will this give me? Of the index of the item which I select. Yes. So when I click over here and select D, will give me the index of this item, which is 3. If I select E and click over here, will give me the index of the item. So if I want to display the item which I have selected, if I want to display E, then what to do? Pass the list index as a parameter to the list property, subquery. So we'll solve the inner query first. What is the inner query? So if I select E, will give me what? 4, and pass 4 to the list. List of 4 will display me E. So I'll use both. Let's see. So what will this display? This will display me E का index और उसका नाम. Yes, clear. To give the count of elements in the array, how much? Which property? List count. So print list1 dot list count will display how many elements are there in the list. How many? 5 elements. Index are 0 to 4. हो गया, चलो. List हो गया, list count is done, list index is done. Multi-select, very important property is multi-select. Guys, see, VB is a product of Microsoft, so we are very familiar with how Microsoft works. So let's do. If I have these folders, if I want to select one folder, what I do? I click on it. If I want to do multiple select, what I do? Yeah. Any other way to do multiple select? Select the first one and shift and this one will select all the item between them. See, you select this and from this onward you want to select till here. Press the shift key and select that item. So we'll select all the items in the upper and the lower bound. Clear? These are 3 ways of selection. So this property multi-select, you can select multiple items in a list box. So see, now that property is false. So I can select only one item at a time. Yes. If I want to select multiple items at a time, what I do is select the list box and go to multi-select. Multi-select. 0 means not allowed to do multiple select. If I take it one, simple is the control wala stuff. If you want to select multiple, simple, click, yes. Only click. Just click and it will select that item also. And the third is extended, means now select this, shift and select this, will select all the items between them. and if you want to unselect, click it. क्या क्या you want A? कंट्रोल से दबाया मैंने, कंट्रोल से. हाँ. Extended will not work. If you want to select them, control and the other one. Simple अपना MS Office जिस तरह काम करता है उस तरह. Clear? So guys, now if you want to see what this, there is an array also called selected. How we see, we have two arrays in which is the first array? Arrays of list box. There are two arrays in the list box. Which is the first array? What is the name of that? List one is the name of the control. List is the array which I give list 0, list 1, list 2. Clear? And the second array is selected. Whenever I select an item, that index is given to this array. Listbox control has two arrays embedded inside it. First is the list, which will give you all the contents of the list box. List of 0 will give me the 0th element. Yeah. हाँ? एक लिस्ट के अंदर दो एरे एम्बेडेड है. डिफरेंट एरे ऑफ लिस्ट नहीं हो रहे लिस्ट बॉक्स के अंदर. तो इफ यू ट्रैवर्स ऑल द एलिमेंट्स, यू ट्रैवर्स द लिस्ट एरे ऑफ द लिस्ट बॉक्स. And selected array, what is selected? Whatever we select, that index is given to this array. This array is blank. So now if I play and I select C and I select D, selected will have contents as 2 and 3. Clear? So these are two arrays of the list box. So if you want to delete multiple items together, you have to delete all the items which is in the selected list box. समझा? Delete all the items of the array selected. See, you cannot delete multiple items in list. If you give delete list of I, you can delete only one element. But if you want to delete multiple elements, delete the selected array. So if you have selected B and D, these two indexes are now gone in which array? Selected, and now delete that array. Selected array. I'll show you a demo code of that also. Name, you all are aware of name. New index. New index means the index of the last item. The latest added item in the array. What is the index of that item? That. बाकी सब हो गया लिस्ट. बाकी और कुछ नहीं है. So okay, sorted. चलो ठीक है. Now is this element sorted? Yes, they are. So let's enter something practical. The sorted is as sorted. Sorted is false. If I make it true, we'll sort the arrays as simple as that. Now let me do Pune. Sangvi. ये सब सिटीज के नाम हैं. So my content is like this. If I make the sorted as false, if sorted is false, the list box will be in the order how I have entered. And if I make sorted as true, will sort the array, as simple as that. If I make sorted as true, will sort the array. Clear? And now I'll show you something very interesting.